Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Let's talk about phonemes. They're the secret to speaking American English fluently.
I absolutely love that idea. Phonemes are the smallest sounds in words, and they change everything.
Exactly. Take cat and caught. The vowel phoneme is different, and it completely changes the word.
Yes. It's these little things that make a huge difference in speaking naturally. I'm personally a fan of learning phonemes.
Same here. For example, the R sound in car in American English is pronounced stronger than in other accents.
That's so true. The R phoneme is very distinct. In theory, it helps you sound more American.
Exactly. And when you learn these phonemes, it's like adding decorations to your speech.
I love that. Another one is the TH sound. Like in think versus the D sound in this. Two different phonemes.
Yes. Understanding those sounds makes your pronunciation so much clearer. It's like shaping your mindset for fluency.
Exactly. The L sound in light versus the R sound in right are different phonemes and change the meaning.
Great example. And how about the T sound in water? It's softer in American English. Almost like a D.
Right. It's subtle but so important. When you know the phonemes, you notice those differences.
Exactly. Now, try this. I'm going to buy that coffee. Hear how the words connect. It's all about the phonemes.
Yes. It sounds like I'm gonna buy that coffee. The words blend, making it sound natural.
That's the power of phonemes. They help you link words together smoothly, like a native speaker.
Speaking of linking, the S sound in this blends into the next word. Like in this apple. Can you hear it?
Yes, the S phoneme flows right into the vowel. It's all about connecting sounds naturally.
Exactly. Let's try another one. Take a look. The K sound at the end of take blends with look.
Perfect example. When you understand phonemes, these connections become automatic in your speech.
I love it. It's like phonemes are the building blocks of fluency. They help you speak effortlessly.
And once you master them, you'll feel more comfortable speaking in any situation, even at work or social events.
Absolutely. Whether you're in the living room or at the office, mastering phonemes boosts confidence.
Right, and the vowel sound in sit is different from seat. Those are two distinct phonemes too.
Yes. It's fascinating how such small changes in sound can create entirely new meanings.
It's like with ship and sheep. The vowel sound changes and they become two different words.
I absolutely love that. It's fun to explore these sounds. It's like going on a linguistic adventure.
Exactly. And when you're watching TV series, pay attention to how native speakers blend their phonemes.
Good idea. It's like real-life practice. Plus, you'll hear how everyday phrases are naturally spoken.
Yes. And skills need to be maintained. Practicing phonemes helps you stay sharp, like a workout for your speech.
That's so true. Effort and discipline are key. Just like in fitness, fluency doesn't happen overnight.
Exactly. And once you understand phonemes, you erase any doubts about how words should sound.
Yes, it's like unlocking a door to better pronunciation. Understanding is the key to fluent speech.
I agree. And with phonemes, you learn how words are structured, not just how they look.
Right. Words that basically look like each other can sound completely different because of the phonemes.
Like apartment versus appointment, the sounds are distinct, even though they're similar on paper.
Exactly. Another example is comfort versus comfortable. The pronunciation shifts between syllables.
Yes. And it's the phonemes that explain why. You learn how to break down words and say them correctly.
And it's not nothing fancy either. Learning phonemes is about mastering the foundation of the language.
Totally. It's like the pinky color in a painting. It's subtle, but it adds depth and richness to your speech.
I love that comparison. It's the little things that make your English sound natural and fluent.
Exactly. Even something as small as the ing sound in sing versus the n in sin makes a difference.
Great example. Once you start focusing on phonemes, you hear the language differently.
Yes. And then you can live English more naturally. Not just study it. It becomes a part of your everyday life.
Agreed. Do you learn it for fun or for work? Either way, phonemes will improve how you speak.
Exactly. Whether you're chatting with friends or talking about jobs, phonemes make everything clearer.
And the best part is, you don't need my technology or special tools. Just listen and practice every day.
Absolutely. You can practice anywhere. Try it while you're walking, cooking, or even in your living room.
Yes. Even while you're decorating your apartment. Listen to English podcasts and repeat what you hear.
That's a great way to keep your mind active. If you have any questions, you can comment and get feedback too.
Yes. Asking for feedback is crucial. You'll learn faster and fix any mistakes in your pronunciation. Exactly. And once you focus on those phonemes, everything will fall into place. It's like unlocking fluency.
I absolutely love how phonemes give us the tools to sound more natural. It's the key to mastering English.
Yes. And when you listen to natives, you'll realize they don't speak fast, they just connect the phonemes.
Right. They blend the sounds, so it feels fast, but it's just about linking everything smoothly.
And that's the technique. They put words all together, and it becomes one fluid sentence.
Yes. Once you understand how phonemes connect, it's much easier to follow conversations.
Exactly. So, practice those vowel and consonant sounds every day. And you'll see improvement quickly.
It's like a workout for your language skills. A little practice goes a long way. Just stay dedicated.
And with time, you'll feel more comfortable and confident. That's the goal, right?
Absolutely. Phonemes are the foundation. Once you get them down, everything else becomes easier.
I agree. And don't forget to enjoy the process. Learning phonemes is like an adventure in itself.
Yes, and when you start hearing the lovely view of fluent English, it'll all be worth the effort.
Absolutely. It's all about effort and discipline. Keep going, and you'll speak like a native in no time.